If you're seeing Epic Games error code AS-3 on Windows, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This error usually points to a connection issue, and in many cases you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. We're going to start with the simplest fixes first, then move to the next step only if needed, so you can get back into Epic Games Launcher as fast as possible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows and gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. This sounds basic, but a weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Epic Games throws AS-3. Open your browser and try loading a few websites to see if your internet is working normally. If pages are loading slowly or not at all, the problem may be with your connection rather than Epic itself. Next, restart your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary network glitches, refresh background services, and fix small launcher errors that can trigger this code. After your computer restarts, also restart your router. To do that, unplug the power cable from your router. Wait about 30 seconds and plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to reconnect fully, then try launching Epic Games again. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is turn off your VPN. Epic Games can sometimes block or misread VPN traffic, which may lead to AS-3 when the launcher tries to connect. If you're using a VPN app, disconnect it completely and close it before reopening Epic Games Launcher. In many cases, just disabling the VPN is enough to fix the issue right away. After that, launch the Epic Games Launcher again and see if you can sign in normally. If the error continues, there's one more reliable step you should try. Reinstall Epic Games Launcher. This can fix corrupted files, broken settings, or launcher components that may be causing the connection failure. To do that, open Settings on Windows, go to Apps, find Epic Games Launcher in the installed apps list, and uninstall it. Once it's removed, restart your PC again to make sure everything clears properly. Then go to the official Epic Games website and download a fresh copy of the launcher. Install it, sign in, and check whether the AS-3 error is gone. Reinstalling may take a little longer, but it's often the best fix when connection steps alone don't solve the problem. At this point, most users should be back up and running. So to recap, the main fixes are check your internet connection, restart your PC and router, turn off your VPN, and if needed, reinstall Epic Games Launcher. Try these in order, and in most cases, the error will be resolved without much hassle. If this tutorial helped you fix Epic Games error code AS-3 on Windows, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.